What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dave. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I do new videos all the time on Etsy, e-commerce, and personal success. With that being said, I want to address the new Etsy Ads platform. In this video, we're going to talk about how to succeed with the new ad platform, why Etsy made this change, and how it sucks. Yeah. So in the past 24 hours, I've had tons of messages, both personally on Facebook, through my Etsy shop, through our Instagrams, through everything. So because of that, I've extended my coaching. If you're a part of my email list, you know that I was closing my coaching yesterday, but because of this, I'm going to be reopening my coaching so I can help you guys. It's going to be 45-minute calls with a reduced price. Also, if you want to join my email list, check the links in the description below. I'll be updating you guys on the Etsy ad platform and how to be successful with it. Great. So first, let me say that yes, I am angry about this change. I think it's terrible that Etsy is taking away my control over my ads and taking the steering wheel of the bidding options. Now we only can choose daily budget and what to promote. I think that is terrible. I'm definitely angry about it. I'm likely more angry than you are about it. Well, I was angry about it. But with that being said, like I said in my past videos about the free shipping changes, you aren't closing your Etsy shop, and neither am I. So with that being said, if you want to move forward as a business owner, you need to let go of your anger at Etsy, because like I said, it's a terrible mental and vibrational state to be in, to be angry at the platform where you make most of your money. That's a terrible idea. Do not be angry. Let go of your anxiety, let go of your anger. See the silver lining. I am going to talk about the silver lining in this video, how to succeed, etc. But first, I want to address the anxiety that's around this. So many people have asked me to do this video because we all have anxiety about it and we don't know what to do moving forward. The first thing to do is let go of your anxiety. It's going to be okay. You're going to continue growing your Etsy shop. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel because I will be doing more videos on this ad platform, and you know that. So yeah, it's terrible. I think it's terrible that they took away my control, because you guys know I love promoted listings. You guys love promoted listings because of my courses and ebooks. All of the courses and ebooks I've sold to you guys on promoted listings is absolutely useful, and you absolutely needed to learn those concepts and methods to be successful with this new ad platform. Yes, I'm going to be releasing resources on the new platform, but you have a huge leg up on your competition if you had those ebooks and if you have those courses that I made. So let's next talk about why Etsy did this. Because you would think to yourself, like, this sucks for me, and that's all you're thinking about. But you have to look at it in a bigger picture, right? As I mentioned in the previous Etsy Ads video that I talked about, this is exactly what has happened with Facebook as well. They changed in September, they're changing everything to what's called campaign budget optimization, meaning your ad sets that are more successful and more engaged with, get your budget for that campaign spent on those instead, right? And its algorithm knows which ones are being engaged with more. That is what Etsy Ads is doing, essentially, along with the timing, time of day, mixed in with some interest-based search results. So why did Etsy do this? There's two huge reasons why Etsy made this move. It's a power move. It's definitely a huge flex on us as Etsy sellers because it makes us all angry, you know? But like I said before, they know that we're going to be angry. So keep watching. First reason why they did this is because there was too many advertisers spending too much money towards too many people. So let's say there's like one group. Let's just go with yoga. Tons of advertisers are bidding at the yoga niche, whatever it may be, leggings, yoga mat bags, yoga mats, etc. Tons of people are bidding at those audiences. So many, in fact, that everybody is not getting their budget spent. Everybody is not getting a positive ROI, and everybody is not happy. For example, like, we all know that it's tough to get your daily budget spent. It only spends 25 to 50% of it if you don't have it set up correctly. right? Or if it just decides not to. So Etsy looked at that statistic and they said, well, we want to get better ROI for our sellers. And this moves us into the second reason. In one of their quarterly reports to their stockholders, and just in general, I forgot which report it was, but it was a financial report not sent out to Etsy sellers. You can look at this stuff too. It's all on, if you dig around for it. They stated that with all of the daily budgets put together for Etsy sellers, only about less than 50% of all of our daily budgets combined were being spent. So from Etsy's business perspective, that means that they are leaving money on the table, right? All these sellers, let's say, let's just make up a fake number. Let's say that all the daily budgets for all of the Etsy sellers put together is, let's just say, I don't know, $20 million, right? Who knows? I don't know. It might be even $1 billion. I don't know. So let's just say it's $20 million. But only 9 million of it is getting spent. So from a purely business perspective for Etsy, they're leaving a ton of money on the table. So obviously Etsy can't take like a pure business perspective on this because they can't, then that would be just a huge money grab, right? Hey, let's take all their money. It doesn't matter if they get a positive ROI. So of course they're going to mix in a new algorithm, a new time-based ad platform, etc., in order for us to get a positive ROI as well. So their goal with this ad platform is that they are essentially making more money for themselves and at the same time, hopefully, making the ads better for us by not aimlessly spending our budgets and our bids based on what we set, because a lot of Etsy sellers don't know what they're doing, and like I said, just throwing money at different audiences, clogging up the search results and clogging up the bidding system. So what they want to do is they want to get that 20 million, that hypothetical 20 million, might be like 100 million or 200, who knows. So they want to get that hypothetical 20 million, and they also want us to do better. So since there's no bidding, and since it's just like all like Etsy take the wheel type of thing, in the video that they posted yesterday, Etsy ads, the really creepy one that didn't really explain anything and made me feel really uneasy, they stated that there's going to be time-based information. So like now you might see like a huge gap of no sales, but then like from 6 to 9 p.m. you'll get a ton of sales or something to that effect. I've already seen that with my ads. I've already seen my ROI go up, and I've already seen my like gaps in sales, and then boom, it just hits. And with that being said, I have not switched over to the Etsy ads platform. It has given me a choice. I don't know why. It's because I've spoke to other sellers and there was no choice. They just have it put together now. What I am assuming is that they are giving sellers that are doing well with the promoted listings in Google Shopping the choice to opt in, and maybe they're going to muscle me in eventually, but for the time being I'm using my other Etsy shop, my purely POD Etsy shop, to use Etsy ads, learn Etsy ads, and then apply it to my own shop and teach you guys this as well. So I hope that makes sense right there. The video's not over, so please continue watching. So in the concept in a nutshell right there is Etsy wants more of our money, but they also want us to do better because a lot of Etsy sellers don't know what they're doing and complain about promoted listings not getting them a positive ROI. So they're kind of making it a best of both worlds. Why? Because Etsy has all their data. They have the data. Your shop's data is one tiny little piece of the giant puzzle. Like I said with the free shipping guarantee video and change, they have all their data. They know that if they do the free shipping thing, they will make more revenue. They know that if they implement, they have a really strong reason to believe for the Etsy ads platform that if they move to this new algorithm, this new time-based thing, this new totally automated bid-based thing, that they will make more money and we will make more money. With that being said, yes, your sales might drop in the beginning. They might take a crap. mine might take a crap when I go over to the Etsy ad platform. And that might happen in the beginning, and that's okay, because it's probably gathering some more data about your shop, etc. Or in the worst case scenario, Etsy ads was a terrible idea and Etsy made a big oopsie. But that is, like I said, very unlikely, because they have all their data. They have all their data to analyze. So they're not just shooting in the dark. You have to keep that in mind. It really sucks. It would be less believable if Josh Silverman, the CEO, posted a video on Etsy's YouTube channel and said, hey guys, this is for the best of all of us. Sure, that would be really, I would be like, sure dude, thanks a lot for taking more control over my Etsy shop. You know, everybody's gonna have that reaction. But it's me right now telling you that this is likely for the better. It might be a little rocky in the beginning, or it might be really good in the beginning. That's what you need to focus on as an Etsy seller. Whenever these changes happen, whenever anything happens in your life or in general on Etsy, just period. When something happens, your mind should be programmed to think a positive outcome. Because we're all programmed to think negatively. Negative thoughts are so heavy that it's extremely easy to go straight to negativity. So don't do that. Go to positivity. Start programming your mind to move to positive thoughts right off the bat. So let's move into what to do next. What we want to do next. There's two things you're going to do. There's two routes. The first route is for people that want to go all out and they want to figure it out right away. And that route is, since there's only two settings, raise your daily budget to whatever the max they give you, turn all your listings on. Again, wait 2 weeks, just like we did with promoted listings. Max everything out, turn all the listings on, wait 2 weeks, and then reanalyze. Because then you'll have all the data on what's selling, what's not selling with this new ad platform. So that's the first route. Turn the maxes up and turn all the listings on. Okay, if you don't want to do that, if you are budgeting, or you don't have all the money, or whatever, you're scared still, whatever it may be, the second route, the more conservative route, is to only have your, maybe, choose a daily budget and then raise it by $5 to $10 because I want you to push yourself, okay? And then turn on only your best sellers. That will give you a more safe option, and it'll definitely work a little bit better for you if Etsy ads is going to work, which I believe it is a better move. And then side note, in the Etsy ads video, I love how they say, it takes all the guesswork out. Like, no, it's not guesswork. It's me analyzing my shop and working hard. It's not guesswork. It's guesswork for people who don't know what they're doing, sure, but it's not guesswork for me. This is me working on my shop. It's not guesswork. Give me that guesswork back, please. But it is what it is. And we're not going to shut our Etsy shops down, and we're going to move forward. So those are the two routes that we're going to take, the conservative route and the all-out route, okay? So I hope you understand why they did this, what to do next, and how to chill out with your Etsy business, because with every single change that comes out, I'm going to tell you to chill out. I'm going to tell you to relax, because a relaxed mind is much better than an angry mind, okay? And you know that, so chill, okay? Okay, so with that being said, I have lowered my coaching prices, and I have reopened it back up because I'm sure a lot of you guys have a ton of things to ask me and go through. So check the link in the description below for my lowered coaching packages, and also check the link in the description below to be notified when I open my group coaching. I'm going to be offering much lower priced group coaching within the next week or two, where we all have a live session with me and I answer all of your questions, and you can learn from other people's questions. I go way more in depth than I do with the free YouTube videos, etc. So I'm going to be offering a ton of value through the group coaching. So please check the links in the description and go watch some more of my videos, because everything's going to be okay, all right? Again, deep breath, please subscribe, and please like this video and comment below what your thoughts are. Have a beautiful day. Peace out.